It's me again and back. So we're just gonna open this because
Mga biscuit ba mo kinuhaan. Napaka-biscuit ito sa inyo, no? Hoy.
Hi guys, it's me. I'm back again because my grandma is beside us. Yes, and we're gonna try to open it. It's chocolate. Wait, what is this white? It's a marshmallow.
Guys, baho kong lubot, guys. You know, guys, my putsi, guys, is so bad.